Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm going to be doing some stovetop cooking on the J.A. Roby EPA Cookstove line. This particular model I have here is the Chief because it has the water reservoir. I do have the cast iron enamel cook plates located on the top of the stove as well. So I'm actually really excited to cook with these, especially because I'm going to be cooking up meat today. You know, meat like splatters, and now like when you get it on the enamel cooktop, it's so easy to wipe up, whereas if it gets on the cooktop cooktop, it gets messier. So I'm pretty excited for that. So in the meantime, I will give you guys some cooktop temperature readings so we can kind of gauge where we're at. You will notice my fire is pretty low because I'm going to be doing some baking. So right now I'm going to be giving you low burn cooktop temperature readings. Once my cookies are done baking, then I'll fire it up and get it hotter and show you guys the hotter temperatures as well. So I don't even have my hottest fire going. I really just have like a medium fire going. I would say like 2 really small pieces of wood in there that are burning nice and hot and clean. Right now I'm gonna give you guys some medium fire temperature readings. So I'll start here with the middle of the cooktop. I've got 420 degrees, center cook plate, 270, far side is about 220, okay? So today I'm going to be cooking some delicious lamb for you guys, which I got right here. I have my cast iron pan on here because I want to heat it up so I can sear this really quick, nice on the outside, and keep it rare, nice and pink in the middle. Got the J.A. Roby burning with the enamel cook plates. I'm cooking some lamb right now. Just want to show you guys these cook plates though. Pretty cool because they have little burners built in. Biggest burner here, medium burner in the middle, small burner on the end. I think that the cooktop, honestly, it looks so nice on the stove. It just adds a lot to it, but not just that. Man, when your food splatters on a cooktop, it's so nice to have an enamel finish to clean it up. These ones got little griddles built in the back. You can see it's got a nice little lip on the edge of the cooktop. So you could actually put food right on it because enamel is food grade rated. All right, guys, that is it for the lamb. So it is nice and pink in the middle. Cookstove did a very nice job cooking on it. So yeah, I am ready to eat this. It's looking pretty tasty. All right, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed our cooking and baking videos on the J.A. Roby Cookstoves. I get a lot of questions about like temperature readings and how it is to cook and bake. So I hope you guys really enjoy seeing this before you decide to make a purchase. If you have any questions about Cookstoves, don't hesitate to reach out. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like them, share them with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for all of our latest videos. Check us out on social media as well. We have a pretty awesome Facebook page going. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.